Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty. Today I am at my open house at 775 Grace Drive here in the heart of Florence. This is a gorgeous 2-story home with a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a completely redone sunroom. This thing has upgraded Anderson windows throughout, and it sits on 6/10 of an acre. Look at this beautiful backyard. One of the best backyards I've seen in Florence. This is located just off Weaver Road, just minutes from everything in Florence. Restaurants, shopping, and the freeway. You know, if you'd like to come out to the open house and see it, please do so. I'm here until 3 o'clock today. Or you can make a private showing. Reach out to me. I'd love to show you this gorgeous home. Someone out there is going to get a great forever home, and I'd love to help you. You can get me at 859-393-4879, or you can drop me a line at kennys@nkyhomes.com. Hey, I look forward to talking to you.